Alrighty, so you want to make sure on your settings that your Bluetooth is on, and then you've got your little Bluetooth symbol here. Bluetooth, it's got for the Vhedia. I'm going to press that green button there. Once it's done a search, you should be able to select. It's going to come up with your pairing request. Press pair. Then it's going to say allow your contacts to sync. You can choose whether you want to or not. Now the first time you do this, it might take a second, and then it's going to ask if you want to use SpeedPlay, use CarPlay. And there you have it. So then you can go to your calls, your Apple Maps, or any other things that you want to use that's on your phone with your music and stuff. That button down the bottom, so you can use your Spotify. And yeah.